Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's world. And today we got some unique watch faces we want you to take a look at. They're nice. I think you'll like them and they are free. All right, you all, let's kick this review off. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And today we got some unique watch faces we want you to take a look at that I think you're gonna like, and the watch faces are free. Now, the first one, the name of it is called Letterfer. This developer always gets down on some unique looking watch faces. This one here truly is no exception. I like the look of this one, right? Now, in the always on mode, it's kind of funny, right? Because you got a digital watch face kind of, sort of, and then you have a traditional analog watch face look, which is still cool. You're still able to see your time at a glance, but when the watch face is on, I'm liking this look. So you get text/digital. You know, I think it's a great mix, right? So you get 9 at the top spelled out. You get 51, which is your minute down below, and then you get the date right dead center along with the day. So I thought that was a good look, right? Also, what's nice about this is single tap. You get a different design, different theme look, and they're all nice. And depending on what you're wearing or depending on which mix of colors you like, listen, just pick one and choose. I thought this was nice. I thought the developer did a great job with this one. I'm telling you, check this out in the Gear Manager store. It's free for the take-in. You cannot beat this one. Let's go ahead and check out watch number 2 is looking pretty good. The name of this one is called Squarefer. Now, it's a nice looking watch face, a fun looking watch face, a unique looking watch face. Now, we all need a fun watch face in our lineup. This one here will help to complete the mix. Now, in the always on mode, you're gonna get a digital look for the AOD mode. Not a bad look at all. And when the watch face is on, I kind of like the design of this one. I like that it's outside of the box a little bit, or maybe inside of the box, right, with the design. But if you look down at the bottom, you're gonna get your battery info. Up at the top in the little circle, you're gonna get your step count. And dead center, you're gonna get 24-hour digital time. And also you're gonna get your day and your date. I thought this was a good look. I like the design. It's very different. It stands out. And with a single tap, you can change the color of this watch face with this theme. And I'm liking it. I like what the developer did. Very different, very unique. All right, you all, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you wanna see more videos like this, then subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.